Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Amazon Associates, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the Amazon Associates homepage. Click on the Join Now for Free button prominently displayed. Sign in to your existing Amazon account or create a new one if necessary. Enter your preferred account information, including your name and address. Fill in your website or mobile app details where you plan to promote products. Specify how you drive traffic to your site and how you generate income. Choose your preferred payment method for receiving commissions. Read and accept the operating agreement to proceed. Click on Finish to complete your registration. Wait for approval from Amazon Associates, which usually takes 1 to 3 days. Once approved, log in to your Amazon Associates account. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available tools. Use the search bar to find products you want to promote. Generate affiliate links for the selected products. Copy the unique affiliate links provided. Share these links through your website or social media platforms. Monitor your performance using the reporting tools available in your account. Adjust your strategies based on the data you collect. Stay updated with Amazon's policies to ensure compliance. Keep exploring new products and trends to maximize your earnings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.